On question 2, I want to show how we can use the calculator to solve question 1. So alpha is 0.01, the degrees of freedom are 4. I want to type in the observed frequency distribution into L1 and the expected into L2. And then we are going to select the chi-squared goodness of fit test. So I press Stat and then select Edit, and then type in the observed list into L1 and the expected list into L2. And then quit out, go back into the Stat menu, go over to Tests, and then down to the chi-squared goodness of fit test. So the observed should be L1, the expected should be L2, and the degrees of freedom are 4. So then press Calculate, and chi-squared is 16.958, and that is consistent with what we found on question 1. And the p-value is 0.0020 if we round it to 4 places. So if we use the rejection region method, our picture would look like this. And chi-squared is in the rejection region, so we would reject the null hypothesis. And this is consistent with what we got on question 1. Now if we use the p-value method, our picture would look like this, and the p-value is less than alpha, so we would again reject the null hypothesis. So this is consistent.